Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another video for you guys. Thank you so much to Ohuhu for this amazing new glitter polygel kit. It includes 30 grams of 8 color polygel, 4 glitter powders, along with 12 milliliter base coat, 12 milliliter top coat, 50 milliliter cleansing solution, some nail forms that include 100, also a double-ended brush, a nail file, and a cuticle pusher. So here I'm just going to be showing you guys everything that it includes. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. This is definitely hands down one of my favorite nail looks I have ever created. This is super easy, super simple, and I will have everything linked down below for you all if you're interested in purchasing anything that you saw today in this tutorial. I hope you all enjoy. And by the way, thank you guys for all the love and support that I've been receiving through all my social media platforms along with my Etsy shop. It means the absolute world to me. By the way, I will have everything linked down below for you all, and I did come out with some new press-on nail sets if you're interested in checking that out on my Etsy shop, along with some beautiful cuticle oils with 7 amazing scents. But now moving on to this tutorial, I hope you all enjoy. So these are what the polygels look after they've been cured. And by the way, this kit has such amazing polygel colors and glitters. They are so beautiful. I absolutely love this kit. I give it a 10 out of 10. Super easy application, super simple look. I definitely love the lazy girl method because I honestly don't want to spend more than 20 minutes doing my nails. So I definitely find this very convenient and quick. So after I was done pushing back my cuticles, I am now removing the shine from my natural nail plates, and then I'll get into the following steps. So now I'm just using some dehydrator, and this, what it does, it removes all the oils and dirts from the nail plates. So by the way, when it comes to a particular dehydrator or primer, when you buy these kits, it may not always work for you, so you have to find what works best for you. Now we're moving on to the actual primer, and this is used as an adhesive for long-lasting nails and no lifting. For example, when I use this one, I usually do 2 coats of the primer, and the nails last a very long time for me. So it's all trial and error. Now I am moving on to the base coat, and I will be applying this to all the nails and curing it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm grabbing a mini buffer and just removing all the shine from these amazing XL tapered square full coverage nails from the Attitude shop that I absolutely love. I'm just removing the shine from the outside of the nail, and then I will make sure to roughen up the inside as well. I will be repeating this process for all the nails. As a slip solution, I will be using the slip solution that came with this kit, and by the way, it worked absolutely perfect. I had no issues with it, and this is the color I'm going with. I absolutely love this polygel because it has a light pink undertone with all these beautiful glitters in it, and I just fell in love with this polygel color in particular because I love glitter. I'm definitely a fan of glitter. So here, as you guys can see, the application was so easy and flawless, and I did have some left over, so I just went ahead and used it for my next nail. And if you want to be able to apply the nails easier when you're doing the lazy girl method, just remember you could always use a nail stand, as I am doing here. In some of my tutorials I use a nail stand, and some I don't, depending if I'm lazy or not. You know, sometimes I just don't want to take things out, but in this particular tutorial I went ahead and did so. So as you guys can see, I usually apply a little bit of polygel on the cuticle area, and therefore it doesn't really flood my nail. So just always remember to apply Not as much towards the cuticle, more towards the middle, and just enough towards the end of the nail. So yeah, I'm just repeating the same process for all the rest of the nails, and I hope you all are enjoying this tutorial so far. And I usually cure polygel for 60 seconds, but it's up to you whether you want to cure it anywhere between 30 through 60 seconds, whatever works best for you, depending also how many watts your UV lamp is. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. So here I'm just removing the tacky layer from underneath the nails that the polygel leaves, and I just used a lint-free wipe with some alcohol. So these are what the nails are looking like. They look absolutely stunning already. And now I'm just gonna grab the nail file that the kit came with and just lightly reshape the nails. So now going in with these LV designer nail stickers, I will be going in and applying these on my ring finger and my middle finger as my accent nails. I'm just going to be randomly placing them to my liking. And after I am done with the placement, I will go in and apply my top coats. I say top coats because all the nails will be glossy except for the two accent nails. Those will be matte. And honestly, guys, I absolutely love the way these nails turned out. They just look so stunning to me. This is by far my favorite set, and it was just so easy, so achievable. And any length, you could do this with any length, literally any shape of nail of your choice, and it just looks so good. So I hope you all liked this tutorial, and let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about the final results of these nails. And by the way, guys, I'm just so excited to share this with you all because I just loved this nail look. So now I'm going in with the Ohuhu top coat, and I will be applying this to all the nails except for the ring finger and the middle finger. But other than that, all of them will have this glossy top coat. And then I'll be showing you one matte top coat I am using. And by the way, it's super good and super affordable. I think it was like $2.99, the Babe Nail matte top coat. But yeah, guys, I'm so excited to show you guys the final results. Like I said earlier, absolutely loved how they turned out. So I wanted to take this time to just show you guys how the nails turned out after I cured the nails under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. They look absolutely beautiful. Let me know down below what you guys think, but I just love this set. It's so beautiful. This, like, I don't know, it's just so amazing to me. I am so happy with this set. I know a lot of nail tubers can relate to when they make a set that they really like, and that's just how I'm feeling right now. Really happy and just so glad I came up with this look. But anyways, guys, here I will be showing you guys my new cuticle oils, and this is one of them, and they're so cute and they smell absolutely amazing. And this one in particular is in the lavender scent, and they are just so cute, and they're available on my Etsy shop. And I just love how hydrating they are. I do use 100% natural oils, but everything is skin safe and absolutely great. I wouldn't put out a product that I am not content with. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the love and support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.